Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Google Flights to find the cheapest flights in 2025 with the step-by-step guide. Step 1. Go to google.com/flights on your browser. And step 2. Enter your departure and destination airports. You can also search flights to this city or that city directly in Google search to get to this tool. Step 3. Select your travel dates. Use the calendar to view to see the cheapest date options in green. Hovering over each date shows the live price changes. Step 4. You can use filters to customize your trip. Filter by number of stops, airlines, departure time, and bags included. Step 5. Toggle the track prices switch if you're not booking immediately. You will get email alerts for fare drops. Step 6. Explore the discovered destinations if you want cheap flight ideas but you haven't chosen yet a destination. Step 7. Once you find the flight that you like, you can click select to book directly through the airline or booking partner. And now, you can easily score affordable flights using Google Flights in 2025. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.